You can discount one particular item on an invoice, or you can discount the entire thing. You can also choose to discount a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount. To add a discount, you first have to add it as an item, just like we did with subtotals. Let's click on Items and Services on the top right-hand side. At the bottom of the screen, click Item and choose New or hit Ctrl-N on your keyboard. For the item type, choose Discount. Here's where you can give your discount a name, such as what it's for or how much it is. You can also include a description so that it shows up on your invoice. Here's where you can choose the amount. You can either put in a dollar amount or a percentage. If you choose a percentage, you do need to include that percentage character. Otherwise, QuickBooks is going to treat it like a dollar amount. Finally, you can assign an account to it. In this case, I've already created an account called Discounts. I created it as an income account, but it doesn't really matter. This is just how you're tracking it in QuickBooks. And because it's a discount for an income account, QuickBooks is going to store it as a negative value. If I created it as an expense account, QuickBooks would tally it as a positive value because it's money that I'm losing as an expense. I'll click OK. My discount has been created, so let's close out of this and go into an invoice to see it in action. A discount is only going to apply to the previous line above it. So if you want to discount an entire invoice, you first have to subtotal it. I'll show you both scenarios. I selected the customer, and now I'll add some items to this quickly. Let's add our discount. In the next item line, I'm going to include the discount that we just created. You'll notice that it only discounted 10% of the immediate line above that. Let's discount the entire thing. I'll start by right-clicking on the existing discount and choosing Delete Line. Now we can do this again, but this time I'm going to add a subtotal right before it. We added the subtotal in a previous video. Here's my subtotal value, so directly below that, I'll add my discount again. Now, you can see that it's discounting a higher number because it's discounting the subtotal. So remember, you can have a subtotal to discount the entire invoice or just do a line item to discount the line immediately above it.